You need to stop using public Wi-Fi. Hackers are using these three apps to steal your data, and it's super easy for them to do so. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever connected to a public Wi-Fi network? If you have, then you need to watch this video because you could have easily been hacked. And if you haven't, then you should still watch this video because you might be in the future and you'd be glad that you watched it. Okay, let's get straight into it. So there are three main risks when using an unprotected public Wi-Fi network. The first one is that it's basically free advertising for the person who owns that Wi-Fi network. They can see everything that you're doing. They can see which websites you're visiting, and they can even see what you're posting online. The second risk is that your data could be stolen. Hackers can easily set up a fake Wi-Fi network that looks legitimate. For example, a Starbucks Wi-Fi network. So if you connect to that fake Wi-Fi network, they can then start sniffing your data, and they can steal things like your passwords and your credit card information. And the third risk is that your device could get hacked. If you connect to an unprotected Wi-Fi network, hackers can easily attack your device and get control of it. They can then use your device to do things like spam your friends or even use it as part of a larger attack. So now that you know how risky it is to use public Wi-Fi, what can you do to protect yourself? Well, number one, don't use public Wi-Fi unless it's protected with a password. If it's not protected, then avoid using it. Don't take the risk. Number two is use a VPN when using public Wi-Fi. A VPN will encrypt your data, so even if someone does steal it, it won't be useful to them. And number three is be careful what you do when using public Wi-Fi. If you're going to be accessing sensitive information, like your bank account or your social media accounts, then just don't do it on a public Wi-Fi network. It's just not worth the risk. If you learned something new, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. And if you want to keep learning about cybersecurity, make sure to subscribe to this channel. We release new videos every single week. So if you want to stay up to date, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.